We want to solve this differential equation. Call this m, this n. Partial m with respect to y is x, and partial n with respect to x is 2x. They are not equal, so it is not exact. So that means we got to find an integration factor. So here's the equation for it. So it's a function only of y, and so I get this, minus ux minus equals minus xy partial u with respect to y. Then divide by x, and the minus sign, we get u is y partial u with respect to y. And I'll rearrange that. That should be a total derivative.